Hey there, car enthusiasts. If you're in Canada and thinking about buying a used vehicle in 2025, you absolutely need to get a Carfax report. It's like having a crystal ball for your car's history, revealing accidents, ownership details, and more. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the steps to get one yourself. Let's dive in. First off, why bother with a Carfax report? Well, in 2025, with rising used car prices and potential hidden issues, it's a smart way to avoid costly surprises. Carfax Canada has updated their platform to make it even easier and more comprehensive, pulling data from various sources across the country. Step 1. Head over to the official Carfax Canada website. You can simply type Carfax Canada into your search engine or go directly to carfax.ca. Once you're there, look for the Vehicle History Report section. It's front and center. Next, you'll need the vehicle's identification number, or VIN. This is a 17-digit code usually found on the driver's side dashboard, the registration, or insurance documents. Enter that VIN into the search bar, and if you don't have it, you might be able to use the license plate in some cases. After entering the details, Carfax will show you a preview of the report. Now, decide on the report type, basic or full. The full one gives you in-depth info like service records and title history, but it might cost a bit more. Prices in 2025 start around $40 CAD, depending on the options. Once you've selected, proceed to payment. They accept major credit cards and other secure methods. After that, your report will be generated instantly. Take your time to review it. Look for red flags like previous accidents or flood damage. And just like that, you're done. Remember, getting a Carfax report could save you thousands by spotting issues early. If you're buying from a dealer, ask if they provide one, but always double-check yourself. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more car tips. Drive safe out there.